You open Cursor, pick a model, hit enter, and it just works. But somewhere in the background, tokens are burning, and most engineers have no idea how much. Today, we're fixing that. Do you actually know what you're paying for? The naming is a disaster. Without research, it's nearly impossible to tell which model belongs to which company, or whether you're using a 15-cent tool or a $30 one. Most editors don't even label the tier. 3 AI families dominate dev tools right now. OpenAI with GPT, Google with Gemini, Anthropic with Claude. Every family follows the same basic, medium, pro-tier structure, but with completely different names. That's the core of the confusion. Basic models are your fast, cheap workhorses. Unit test boilerplate, formatting, renaming. Medium is your daily driver for real dev work. Pro is for genuinely hard problems, complex architecture, concurrency bugs, full codebase reasoning. Most devs default to Pro, even when Basic would do the job. A token is roughly 3/4 of a word. Everything you send, prompts, history, documents, costs input tokens. Everything the model sends back costs output tokens. Non-English text tokenizes less efficiently, so the same content can cost more depending on language. Now the part that will change how you work. Going from Basic to Pro isn't a small jump. It can be a 100 times difference in cost. Using Opus to write a unit test is like hiring a principal engineer to fetch coffee. The output is fine, the cost is not. Context window is how much the model can see at once. Your message, conversation history, any documents you paste. Bigger windows mean less engineering overhead, but they cost more per request. The rule: use the smallest window that reliably handles your task. Most devs work under team or enterprise licenses, which hides the real cost entirely. Without that feedback loop, your instinct for cost versus performance atrophies. You default to the most powerful model because why not? Except, why not quietly adds up. The goal isn't to use the cheapest model, it's to use the right one. Matching model to task is a skill, and now you have the map. If this helped, subscribe. More of this kind of breakdown coming. Drop a comment with which model you've been defaulting to and whether you'll change it.